Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today, we've got something incredibly special for all the sport bike lovers out there. Feast your eyes on the brand new 2026 Yamaha YZF R6, dressed in that iconic, aggressive Yamaha blue. If speed, precision, and style are your thing, this review is going to blow your mind. We'll be diving deep into the bike's looks, feel, performance, and how much damage it'll do to your wallet. So, buckle up, or should I say, gear up, because this one's a beast. Let's talk about the exterior. Yamaha hasn't just updated the R6, they've refined it into a track weapon that still turns heads on the street. The 2026 version keeps its race-bred DNA but sharpens it with even more aerodynamic bodywork. That deep blue color? It's not just paint, it's a statement. The matte and gloss finish combo adds a premium touch while retaining that aggressive edge. The twin LED headlights look razor sharp, almost like they're daring you to try and tame the bike. The fairings are sleeker, and the air ducts give off serious MotoGP vibes. Overall, it's leaner, meaner, and more purposeful than ever. Now I know what you're thinking, interior. On a bike? But let's take a second to look at the cockpit. The updated TFT display is now fully digital, and it's sharp, colorful, and super responsive. You get customizable layouts depending on whether you're on the track or the street. Controls are ergonomically designed, with revised switchgear that's intuitive even with gloves on. The seat design is also worth mentioning. It's narrower at the front for easier grip with your legs and wider at the back for longer rides. Every detail here screams function meeting form. Alright, let's talk about what really matters, performance. The 2026 R6 is still powered by a high-revving 599 cubic centimeters inline-4 engine, but Yamaha has made some impressive tweaks to comply with newer emission standards without killing the fun. It still redlines at over 16,000 RPM and sounds absolutely glorious doing it. Power delivery is smooth but explosive when you twist that throttle. The quickshifter is buttery, and the ride-by-wire throttle system is more precise than ever. Handling-wise, the R6 remains one of the sharpest tools in the Supersport category. With the updated KYB suspension, revised frame rigidity, and improved traction control settings, the R6 feels like it's reading your mind in the corners. It's agile, light, and incredibly responsive, whether you're carving canyons or flying down a racetrack. Now for the part that might make your heart skip a beat, the price. The 2026 Yamaha R6 doesn't come cheap, and it's not supposed to. In the US market, expect it to start around $13,999. That can go up depending on optional accessories like the Akrapovic exhaust, upgraded electronics package, or race-tuned suspension. But honestly, for what you're getting, a street-legal race bike with stunning aesthetics, cutting-edge tech, and raw performance, it's still solid value. So, is the 2026 Yamaha R6 worth it? If you're serious about performance, love precision engineering, and want a bike that can dominate on both the track and the street, then absolutely, yes. The Blue Beauty is more than just a ride. It's an experience. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Would you take the R6 over a Ninja ZX6R or the CBR 600RR? Let me know. Until next time, ride safe and keep chasing that red line.